in action. We're back in the action, boys. Y'all notice something a little different about your boy today, huh? Perhaps the pimp coat? Perhaps? I'm trying to use cool words, bro. What the frick, bro? What the fuck? Oh man, I just put on my first nicotine. That didn't last long. Sorry, I was trying to wear that jacket because we're unboxing something that's about to make me look pimp. Put on my first nicotine patch, bro. I'm trying to quit vaping. It's 2022, becoming a better man. Damn! They said it's about an inch. I got nicotine shooting through my veins, bro. Damn, man, that's weird. About to become nicotine boy. Ouch. All right, anyway, don't vape, kids. You don't want to have to go through this, bro. I'm bad, boys. Anyway, we're unboxing what I think is probably the world's cheapest. I'm stoked, boys. Chain, like real chain. Now, every chain's real. You feel what I'm saying? But when we talk real, we're talking like real diamonds, real gold, like rapper stuff. I got one for real cheap. We're about to unbox it. I'll explain how I got it and how maybe you guys can get it too. Also, thumbs up, comment down below so I can stop calling myself Shadow NameBran, please. You guys know what's going on the channel. Thumbs up, comments help. Thank you so much. Also, NameBran fam, link is down below. Buy my jewelry. 2 free pieces for the price of 1 shipping, man. All I ask you to do is pay for the packaging, and somehow that's still a problem for you guys, so can you stop complaining, just pay for the shipping, get your jewelry. I make a little bit of money to help. Bad sponsorship, my bad. I didn't mean to yell at you guys over it, but I need you guys to stop. Oh, you didn't know I had to pay for shipping. I'm telling you now. Anyway, boys, so you guys know I shop eBay a lot. Here's a package real quick. I was on eBay a little while ago, man. Now, this is the cheapest jewelry that's real that I think I've ever gotten. Somebody had a gold chain. Should I post a picture of what it is? I will, because this helps with the explanation. There it is, boys. A freaking gold chain. Like 14 karat, you can see. I think it's 14 karat. I'll have to look at the photo again. Boys, somebody had it on eBay for like bidding. I was the only bid, apparently. I bid 99 cents and I got it. Long story short, we have a real gold chain for 99 cents. I got a scale right here. We're gonna see how much we can get for it too. Because if we can flip it for money, like I personally can't, I might even give it away to you guys because I'm banned from every gold buying place in my city, to be honest. So I'm not gonna make any money off this, but I think it's a cool video how we're coming up with a massive steal and I'm gonna look bougie as frick until I give it away. Maybe I'll keep it. I don't know, boys. Without further ado, here's the world's cheapest real chain from eBay. You gotta love eBay, bro, except for the freaking scammers, which I usually come across. I don't do a lot of research or just buy, but anyway, without further ado, let's get on to the package. Boys, wish me luck. 99 cents. I think you can't get any gold chain for 99 cents. Yeah, at all. Of course, there was a bit of shipping, but not much. Maybe like $8. Now, boys, as we slowly unpackage this, I gotta say one thing. You know, in life, sometimes the little guys, I call myself a little guy, I'm jacked as all hell. I'm seeing little mentally and little, how people think of me. Sometimes the little guys win. You place a bid on eBay. You guys can do this too. You place a bid on eBay, and sometimes you get lucky, bro. It's like finding that hot girl at the bar. You finally work up the courage to talk to her. Well, shoot, you don't usually get her. I was trying to prep you up a little bit, guys, but no. Well, good luck with that. I don't know. Anyway, here's the. Okay. Oh, what the f? Post that freaking picture again, Bran. Editing room. Well, it's a little smaller than I expect. It's still 99 cents, boys. I'm not gonna complain too much. It's a little. What the f, though? Something's off, bro. This does not look like that photo. I guess anything can. Anyway, 99 cent chain, boys. Let's look at it. The big thing in this video is how much is this actually worth. First off, this is fucking sick. Now I'm just looking at it in the lighting. Can't be swearing. Shoot. Damn, look at the glimmer on this thing, bro. So 14K. Oh, Brandon, it's just a little chain. Try getting this for 99 cents, man. You can't. I mean, I guess you can't. The premise of this story is saying you guys can do this. I gotta be better than you guys. My bad. Freaking nicotine shooting through my veins. It's turning me into a fucking monster. Not much to say about it, boys. We gotta look for the marking here. Yep, and here we go, boys. So 14 karat, I don't know if y'all could see that, but just believe me, I guess. 14 karat gold chain. We're sticking it to the dumb grandma who just figured out how to use eBay. And sold me a chain for way too cheap. Sorry, Grandma. That's bad. I'm sorry. I'm getting a little confident with how I'm talking about people right now. I'm not gonna lie. I turned off the camera. I looked at this a little more. It's nice. I feel like kind of a loser. I thought it'd be a little bit bigger. Does the picture not look like it should be bigger? That's a little weird to me. Real premise of this now. We're gonna pull out this scale, man, and we're gonna see there's a calculator online calculating gold price. You understand what I'm saying? So we're gonna weigh this in grams. And then See how much we came up, man. If I can turn this into like a full-time job, I think I might get a steal here and there, get a 99-cent chain. Might add up to 50 bucks a month, so maybe not full-time, but whoa, let's go, that's fluid ounces. Damn it, I just put it on the thing, bro. It said 2 ounces. And there we go, boys. So we got 0.1 ounce right there. I'm really curious to see how much. Leave a guess down below, boys. If you guess right, I'll give it away to you guys. How's that sound? 0.1 ounce. I'm gonna bring out the calculator. Let's see our come up. I kind of want to keep it, to be honest. I've always wanted kind of a small little gold chain, but it's fine. You guys can have it. Okay, I'm looking at the photo again on my phone. That's not the same chain. All right, boys, moment of truth here. I got 14 karat, 0.1. Gold price right now is $18.99, so this is in Canadian price, I'm pretty sure. We're gonna click calculator right here. Leave your guess down below. Total value, $3.50. What the fuck? $3 bro, that's not even a come up. I spent $8 on shipping. $3.50. How was gold that cheap? Oh! Dude, I could have broken my finger there. I gotta be careful. Well, that's embarrassing. I'm not mad. I'm down that much money. That's just not, the whole premise of the video is like coming up on a come up. That's kind of funny. I'm just a little bit pissed off. Okay, so we got $3 of gold. I paid 99 cents, but I paid $8 shipping. You f***ing idiot. Well, no, it's gotta be worth, that's gold price as it is, boys. That's gold price as it is. It doesn't take into effect that this is actually made into a chain. I'm trying to make myself feel better. This video's shot. I'm sorry, boys, that's it. We were gonna have a celebration. I had a bottle to pop. That was gonna be a good bit. Now I'm not really feeling it. Appreciate you guys. Sorry. Well, new video tomorrow. That sucks. Frick.